Quality construction. Knives are crafted with high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and a razor-sharp blade that lasts. Superior design. Built to last, ergonomic handles with textured finger points offer a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. For separating meat from the bone. Ideal for deboning chicken, ham, and fish, or trimming fat and sinew. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Ultimate White Series. An exceptional combination of quality, design, materials and craftsmanship for the value-minded kitchen. Perfect for professional use or the home cooking enthusiast. An exceptional combination of quality, design, materials and craftsmanship for the value-minded kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Very well made, sturdy carbon steel, very sharp boning knife, fillet knife. This carbon steel made knife gets the job done. Has a nice large composite handle. The knife itself is a bit large all around for my taste, about 20% smaller would have been perfect. Easy to grip onto, comes with a nice plastic sheath. Easy to hand wash and towel dry after each use. Glad to add it to my kitchen cutlery. I also purchased their 7 inches. Fillet knife. Fillet knife is very sharp and not made for sawing either. The handle is composite material and grips great, just watch your fingers and be paying very close attention when using this knife. Washing should be done, without soaking, by itself, hand washed then hand dry with towel, with drying stroke away from the edge of the blade, will save on cuts for sure. These come with a full-size sleeve made of plastic, which I plan to use as long as they last. Love this knife, really like the Mercer knife line.